Hello guys and welcome. Today we are participating in a pump on KuCoin, but first let's take a look at our settings. We will use buy limit of 2, which works as a pre-pump protection. We will sell manually while using Telegram web detection. We cannot forget about not in. This variable helps the bot to get the coin. Bot will ignore everything you put in this variable in order to get the coin name. The best way to set up the node in is to find the last message with the coin name. Usually just scroll up the chat and you will find it. If you find it, copy the entire message and paste it into the variable. Make sure to separate words with the spacebar and delete all non-alphabetical characters like dots or slashes. Save your settings and you're good to go. Now we are waiting for the pump, but bot accidentally crashes while using API Telegram detection. In this case, we hurry up and use group name instead of API to get the message. Group name detection seems to work and we just made it. Now it's important to spot the buying price so we know when to sell our coin. Alright, we seem to be in profit. Let's sell right now. We have just made $150. That's all for today guys, see you in the next one.